How to find keyboard vibration settings on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find keyboard vibration settings on Android phone. First, then open your keyboard and now just type here just click this one, these 3 points, and then click settings, and here you will find sound and vibration. Click on it, and here you can manage sound and vibration settings, and that's it. If you want to turn on vibration, all you need to do is just enable this one, and then you can disable it if you want, and that's it. Just go back, it will be saved. And that's how to find the keyboard vibration settings on Android phone, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.